Is your Lenovo tablet not responding? It can be frustrating when your device freezes or becomes unresponsive, but don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to fix a Lenovo tablet not responding so you can get back to using your device smoothly and efficiently. Step 1. Perform a soft reset. The first thing you should try is a soft reset. This will not delete any of your data but can resolve minor glitches causing your tablet to freeze. Locate the power button on your Lenovo tablet. Press and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds until the device powers off. Power on the tablet. Once the device is off, release the power button and then press it again to turn the tablet back on. This simple step often resolves temporary issues by restarting the system and clearing temporary caches. Step 2. Check for update. Sometimes software glitches can cause your tablet to become unresponsive. Ensuring your device is up to date can resolve these issues. Navigate to Settings. Open the Settings menu on your tablet. Select System or About Tablet. Scroll through the options and select System or About Tablet depending on your model. Check for software updates. Tap on Software Update or System Update and see if any updates are available. Download and install any available updates. Updating your device ensures it is running the latest software, which might include bug fixes and performance improvements. Step 3. Clear cache partition. Clearing the cache partition can help resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary files. Turn off the tablet. Ensure your tablet is completely powered off. Boot into recovery mode. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously until the Lenovo logo appears. Release the buttons once the recovery menu is displayed. Navigate and select Wipe Cache Partition. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the menu and highlight Wipe Cache Partition. Use the power button to confirm the selection. Reboot your device. Once the process is complete, navigate to Reboot System Now and press the power button to restart your tablet. Clearing the cache partition doesn't delete any personal data but can resolve persistent system issues. Step 4. Perform a factory reset. If your Lenovo tablet is still not responding after trying the previous steps, a factory reset might be necessary. Note, this will delete all data on your device, so ensure you back up important files. Access recovery mode again. Turn off your tablet and enter recovery mode using the same method described in step 3. Select Factory Reset or Wipe Data. Navigate to and select Factory Reset or Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm selection. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the reset. After the reset, your tablet will return to its original factory settings, hopefully resolving any unresponsive issues. Dealing with a Lenovo tablet not responding can be exasperating, but these troubleshooting steps can help you restore its functionality. Whether performing a soft reset, updating the software, clearing the cache partition, or executing a factory reset, each method serves to troubleshoot and resolve potential issues effectively. Always prioritize backing up your data before proceeding with any resets to avoid data loss. By following these steps, you can get your Lenovo tablet back to responding smoothly, ensuring a seamless user experience.